This is the BioLite Pizza Dome, a cooking accessory for the BioLite Base Camp that transforms your stove into a wood-fired oven. The Pizza Dome comes with 3 key components and setup is easy. Ensure the lever is in the closed position, remove the grill grate and replace with the triangle base and stone, and start up the base camp with kindling and fire starter. Add the lid and wait 5 to 10 minutes for your stone to heat up. Slide on your dough, and in minutes, you've got wood-fired pizza to feed your whole crew. The dome can also be used separately as a way to concentrate heat while grilling. Plus, with the Base Camp's thermoelectric technology, you've got usable electricity to light your cooktop or charge your gear. Perfect for the beach, backyard, or tailgate. Make pizza anywhere with the BioLite Pizza Dome.
Easy to use and fun to look at, there's a lot to like about the FirePod Grill. It's a propane-powered pizza oven and grill that delivers perfectly cooked pizza in your backyard or patio. It's portable and easy to set up, and it has the versatility to become your all-around go-to grill. FirePod heats up to a pizza-perfect 600 degrees in about 10 minutes with just the push of a button, and it cooks a fresh pizza in about 4 minutes. You can't beat its mod retro look, complete with solid wood handles, knobs, and legs either. This scaled-down grill is packed with loads of features. The lid is removable for easier cleaning and access to what's cooking, and the front door helps keep heat in. A rear stopper keeps pizza in place, and top ventilation helps prevent burning. FirePod comes ready to party with pizza cooking essentials, as well as a carrying strap that secures the lid while you're on the move. And you can opt for a double-sided griddle to expand the grilling possibilities to meat, veggies, and more. Maker Tim Henderson had the best pizza of his life while visiting the Italian Alps. He found out the secret was cooking it at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature standard home ovens can't reach. After trying out several pizza ovens, Tim decided to make his own that does the job and more in a user and backyard-friendly way.
The wood burner is a great alternative to the gas burner for a more traditional way of cooking. Here are some tips on how to use it. It's important to use a kiln-dried hardwood with a low moisture content. Beech or oak is ideal. If you're concerned your wood might not be dry enough, you can dry it out a little further in the residual heat of your conventional oven or rock box. The wood burner is easy to attach, just like the gas burner, but it can get hot, so don't use it on something like a wooden table. You want your wood to be cut into small marker pen sized sticks. This will help us get a fire going more quickly. Add a handful of the wood to the chamber and pop in a natural fire lighter. It's important to close the hopper every time you add more wood, as this will produce the best flame and heat. The wood burner gets very hot, so be sure to open the hopper with the tool provided. Add wood to the chamber at regular intervals, pushing charred kindling down into the bottom of the chamber each time you add more. Now you know how to operate the wood burner, you can confidently choose between the convenience of gas or the traditional feel of wood. Happy pizza making!
Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm here to tell you all about Unicoda, our gas-powered portable outdoor pizza oven. Unicoda has been crafted for ultimate speed, convenience and ease of use. While it's very simple to use, it has all of the features you need to make incredible pizza in just 60 seconds. When you eat pizza at your favourite restaurant, it will have a certain look and taste that's impossible to recreate in a regular kitchen oven. That is because the most important factor for cooking truly great pizza is to use an oven that gets super hot and has a stone floor. Unicoda has these, plus the ease of cooking with a gas flame, so you can bring your pizza game to any outdoor party. Unicoda connects to a propane gas tank the same way as a barbecue, and it will come with the hose and regulator in the box. There's also a matchstick holder. Unicoda is ready right out of the box and takes seconds to set up. Inside the box, you'll find the pizza oven itself, the stone baking board and the gas regulator and hose. You'll receive a printed copy of the Essentials Guide, which includes delicious recipes for authentic pizza and more. To get Unicoda set up, just flip open the legs, insert the stone baking board, connect to a gas tank and you're good to go. To light, push in and slowly turn the control knob anti-clockwise until you hear a click and the flames ignite. Keep it pressed in for 5 seconds, then turn the dial to control the flames. It's as simple as that. Unicoda reaches 930 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 500 degrees Celsius, which is twice the maximum temperature of a conventional oven. That's hot enough to cook a 13-inch pizza in only 60 seconds. One of my favourite things about Unicoda is just how fast it is. It only takes 15 minutes to preheat to pizza cooking temperatures. During the preheat time, the flames will roll across the oven ceiling and heat up the stone baking board. The stone has excellent heat retention and will help to cook your pizza base to perfection by drawing out excess moisture from your dough. When you're ready, launch your pizza onto the stone. You'll be able to watch your toppings bubble under the flames while it cooks. You can turn the flames up for cooking pizza in just 60 seconds, and you also have the option to dial it down to roast meat, fish and vegetables. Basically anything you can fit inside Unicoda will cook amazingly well. Setting up is quick and easy, and so is cleaning up. Cooking with gas means there's no mess to worry about, and any residue from cooking gets baked off with the heat inside the oven. Making your own dough is simple with our classic dough recipe, or you can also use shop-bought dough. Unicoda is covered by a 1-year warranty as standard, which you can extend for another year for free by registering online. So what makes Unicoda work so well? We'll start by looking at the oven body itself, which is made from a powder-coated, cold-rolled carbon steel shell. There is a thick layer of insulation inside which helps to retain the heat. While the outer shell is weather resistant, you can also order the Unicoda carry cover to keep your oven protected from the elements. There's a patented flame keeper that carries rolling flames across the food as it cooks and creates an even temperature across the stone for a well-cooked pizza base. The high-quality corduroy stone baking board retains a lot of heat and gives pizzas that authentic stone-baked base. It's completely removable too. The best surfaces to place Unicoda on top of are wooden picnic tables, stone, marble or stainless steel. As you can see, Unicoda has non-slip feet that protect whatever surface you're placing it on, and the legs fold up easily so that you can take it with you for a pizza party on the go or store it away. When you order an Unicoda, you'll also be helping to plant trees through Uni's partnership with Eden Projects and 1% for the Planet.
Sometimes you need to strip things back and get to what really matters. You need to get outside, start a real fire and cook some real food. Introducing Unicaru. Unicaru is our new portable wood-fired pizza oven. Fueled by real wood or charcoal, cook authentic wood-fired pizza in any outdoor space. At Uni, we make awesome pizza ovens that are super hot and super fast. In 2012, we created a new category of game-changing pizza ovens.
Uni was born from one simple idea: everyone deserves great pizza. We launched right here on Kickstarter. You guys brought Uni to life and helped us revolutionize outdoor cooking.
We began as an ambitious startup at a kitchen table. Now we're a 50-strong international team with a crew of product designers and engineers, and we're pumped to launch Unicaru.
From day one, we were privileged to have an open dialogue with our global community of backers. What we know is this: people have a burning desire to cook with fire. We've packed our years of learning, research and innovation into this powerful, portable, kick-ass product. Inspired by our roots, Karu means rugged in Finnish. Unicaru is just that, designed for an honest, no-nonsense, primal cooking experience. We created this new pizza oven around the desire for pared-back, flame-cooked food, combined with the innovation all our products are known for. Ready to go in 15 minutes, Unikaru heats to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 500 degrees Celsius, and cooks incredible pizza in just 60 seconds. It's amazing for cooking wood-fired meat, fish, and vegetable dishes too. Loaded with wood, charcoal, or both, Unikaru becomes a roaring inferno, so you can fire out epic pizza like you've never tasted before. The high-grade stainless steel body has ceramic fibre insulation, an extra thick stone baking board, and our patented flame keeper. Together, they mean maximum heat retention. Unikaru weighs just over 26 pounds, or 12 kilos. That's about the same as a case of beer. So if you're ready to create game-changing wood-fired pizza, it's time to master the art of fire with your own Unikaru. Wherever your adventure takes you.
Sometimes